Looking to level up your oral hygiene routine? The best water flossers make it easier than ever to remove plaque, clean deep between teeth, and keep gums healthy, all with powerful pulse-based water pressure. Whether you want a compact cordless model or a full-featured countertop system, these top picks deliver cleaner, fresher results in minutes. Starting at number 1, Waterpik Aquarius Water Flosser. The Waterpik Aquarius WP660 is a powerful and versatile water flosser designed for deep and effective oral care. It features 10 adjustable pressure settings and a massage mode to stimulate gums, while the built-in timer pacer helps ensure even flossing across all areas of the mouth. With a large reservoir that provides over 90 seconds of continuous use and 7 interchangeable tips, it accommodates multiple users and oral needs, including braces, implants, and gum pockets. Using precision pulse technology, it removes up to 99.9% of plaque bacteria from treated areas and is ADA accepted for safety and effectiveness. While the corded unit is less portable and can be noisy on higher settings, its customizable cleaning, dentist endorsement, and 3-year warranty make it a top choice for families and anyone seeking improved gum health. Number 2, KOOVON Portable Water Flosser. The KOOVON Portable Water Flosser is a compact, travel-friendly oral irrigator designed for effective teeth and gum cleaning on the go. Measuring just 2.2, 6.3 inches and coming with a protective travel case, it's perfect for home or travel use. The flosser offers 4 modes: normal, soft, pulse, and sinus, along with 5 interchangeable jet tips, making it suitable for braces, implants, sensitive gums, and even nasal care. Built with a stainless steel retractable water tube and an IPX7 waterproof design, it's durable, hygienic, and safe to use in the shower. Its detachable, full-open water tank ensures easy filling and cleaning. The rechargeable battery provides up to 30 days of use on a single charge, with automatic shutoff after 2 minutes of inactivity to conserve power. Lightweight, versatile, and long-lasting, the KOOVON Water Flosser is an excellent choice for travelers and anyone seeking convenient, effective oral care. Number 3, TUREWELL Water Dental Flosser. The TUREWELL Water Dental Flosser is a powerful corded oral irrigator designed for family use, offering 10 adjustable pressure levels, 30, 125 psi, and pulsations of 1,250, 700 times per minute to provide a customized, deep clean for different users. It comes with 8 interchangeable jet tips, including standard high-pressure tips, an orthodontic tip for braces, a periodontal tip, tongue cleaner, plaque tip, and a toothbrush tip, making it suitable for a wide range of dental needs. The large 600 ml water tank allows for about 90 seconds of continuous flossing, and the leak-proof design ensures mess-free use. The 360-degree rotating nozzle reaches all areas of the mouth, while the flosser's certifications, FDA, CE, FCC, ROHS, guarantee safety and effectiveness. Ideal for people with braces, implants, crowns, or sensitive gums, the TUREWELL Water Dental Flosser efficiently removes plaque, reduces stains, and promotes gum health, offering a comprehensive solution for daily oral care. Number 4, COSLUS Excellent Water Flosser. The COSLUS Excellent Water Flosser E2 is a versatile, family-friendly oral irrigator designed for deep and effective teeth cleaning. It features 12 adjustable pressure settings, 10 to 160 psi, and 2 modes, floss and massage, to accommodate sensitive gums, braces, and general oral care for users aged 6 to 60. Equipped with a 600 ml water tank, it supports long, uninterrupted flossing sessions, making it ideal for multiple household members. The flosser comes with 5 interchangeable jet tips and a patented upright storage system that keeps the nozzles organized while micro-drainage vents prevent odor buildup. Its rotating pressure knob, magnetic handle, and intuitive interface make it easy to use for all ages, ensuring thorough plaque removal, gum stimulation, and overall improved oral hygiene. Number 5, Nicwell Water Dental Flosser. The Nicwell Water Dental Flosser, F5025, is a cordless, rechargeable oral irrigator that delivers a deep, professional-level clean. It uses a unique 0.3 mm ultrafine double-thread water pulse technology with a rate of 1,400 to 800 pulses per minute, generating 30 to 110 psi of water pressure to effectively remove food residue, massage gums, and help reduce bad breath.